Ain't waste no time. I'm on the charts kind of late. Can this focus? I don't like how that looks, personally. Is it me? I don't know. We on these charts though. 950 10. I was looking for the 950 10 macro. I think it left me. London highs right here. Looking like we're here to take London highs. Maybe we can catch a little right here. From here, momentum back up. Very volatile markets right now. Trying to be a little patient what I'm doing. Not be patient, be very observant of what's going on in these markets, because these markets have been very volatile lately. Didn't even trade yesterday. Didn't even know what was going on with price action yesterday on the 8th. Didn't even know what was going on with price action on the 8th. I took an L on Monday. I just recorded it. Wasn't in my in the setting that I'm in now. Took an L on Monday, which is fine. And this is where you could get in now, which is so crazy, right? Like, we really just gotta pay attention to what's going on in the markets, the financial markets, for real. Cause I'm liking all this rejection I'm getting from this gap right here, and this might be depending on what I'm gonna do. Come on. I want a decent candle close on the second candle right here. It's the 30-second. On my top step of my phone. Again, just looking for a decent close. Yeah, in the second. I'm looking for the second. I'm never looking for that first candle rejection from here. I'm always looking for the second, because that second is going to determine a lot, for real. That's what I just been learning as far as me trading. That second one really determines what's happening. Took this low. Fast rejection from here on the 1 minute. I like bars. Stop loss is right below the lows. Stop loss and take profits up. Let's see if we can get in, get out right quick. In on my top step account on my phone, long positioned here. Couldn't even tell you where I got in at. More so like here, somewhere in here. I can move it up a little bit. Yeah, somewhere in here. SL right here. Targeting the eyes, a little one. This right here. This is actually what I'm in right now. And I'm going from point A to point B. Not about to overdo this. Not about to even try to overthink. I'm going from point A to point B. And that is it. Point A, point B, that is it. That is all, folks. 4 macros. Currently in on 4 macros. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, but we just waiting, man. We just waiting for the markets to do what they want to do. Again, fast rejection from there. Don't want to see what I'm seeing right now. Again, yeah, let's keep getting that rejection from that gap. Overall, just hoping for a decent day, Wants to play. Okay, let's just take this out right here, man. This is all I want right here. The London high. That's it. Ooh, I don't like that, but that's just the markets. Wow, literally. And I do it all the time, which is so crazy. crazy stop loss right at crazy. Just the stop loss is right at come on, let's get that shoot up that I'm looking for, man. I love the rejection from the gap fill, rejection off the order block. I'm really liking the trade right now. Can probably take a buy, some sort of a buy on this account. A little too macro buy, nothing too crazy. Again, taking it up to this high. Take it up to this high, you know, SL below this candle right here. Nothing too crazy. Let's go. Let's get that shooter we looking for. Again, market's very volatile right now. So when you seeing your numbers move really fast, you know, you kind of get a little nervous. You kind of get a little antsy, a little jumpy. And that's reasonable, you know. It's the markets. That's very much reasonable. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's meant to happen, but you know, things like that do happen in the markets. And right now we're just in a very volatile market right now. And again, I'm going from point A, point B. I'm not looking for too much. Not looking for nothing too crazy. I'm trying to get my profit and get out of here for the day, you know. So let's just see what this do with this 950, with the 950 1010 macro. I do think we come here and take these out personally. That's what I personally think. I don't know what is going on. I can't even tell because this is not even keeping up with how fast this is moving. That's how fast the markets is moving right now. And does it usually? Who knows what. You know, we're definitely just monitoring trades right now as far as right now what's going on in here and this little right here. We just want that push. We want that break above here. Come on, just take these highs out. That's all we want. That's all we want. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. We trying to get in, get out of these markets, man. Look what's going on. Look what's going on. Look what's going on, man. Look what's freaking going on, man. Look what's going on. This is what I tell, man. Get in, get out. I'm not looking for all of this, all that. I'm looking for point A, point B. That was it. Point A to point B. I don't even know what this was on this account, but I was looking for point A, point B, and we got in and got out, literally. That fast. Nothing more, nothing less than this, bro. This trade did not take too long, and I got on the charts late. The risk to reward is terrible, but I went order block. I'm so glad I went order block instead of under here. Boy, we literally, boy, not really crazy bias coming into the day. I was looking at the London high. I was looking at what London did the night before, like just through the night. I'm like, all right, boom, we got a nice little at the start of London and Tokyo. Well, you know what I'm saying, we got a nice little bearish, very bullish. I'm talking about bullish bearish. We got a very bearish move, like bearish movement downward. Then we got this little break above here. And now I'm looking at, all right, boom, we left a little data high above here, came back, filled in this gap here, came all the way back, tapped into this gap, inversed this gap. And then I was looking for another little, then we came back up, left this gap right here. And I was just monitoring. I was like, we come down, just monitoring the gap from here to here. And again, it was a simple trade, man. Simple trade, simple fast trade. And in and off the markets, man. And I was literally just listening, bro. I gotta show y'all because the video on my TV right now. I was literally just listening to Money is a Flow State. If you do not know this, money is a flowing state. And I literally got it on my bulletin. If you can't see, less force, more flow. Money is energy. And I just started watching the video today, which is so crazy. And on my phone, didn't change it. Did not change anything. My phone I have had this screensaver for weeks. And this is what it says right here. Whatever you chase will run away from you. You attract the right things when you know who you are. Seek wholeness, less force, more flow. The universe. And today was just an overall good day, man. I'm beyond happy with what happened today. Again, in and out, bro. I was not trying to be in the markets all day long. That wasn't my goal. But again, we got in and out, and it was a very fast trade. Like, not playing with the markets, like, cause nobody wants to play with the markets or anything of that nature. Not right now in this time. Nobody wants to play with the markets, bro. So, again, getting from point A to point B is It's very important in these times, because again, holding your trades, man, around just what's going on in the moment right now, it's definitely not worth it at all. Don't want no ads popping up on my screenshot for the boom. Really a 1 minute macro type of, again, again, in and out, man. You feel me? I'm very, very happy with what today, what has happened today. And again, in my head, not getting really discombobulated, man, and not getting discombobulated, not being scared of my not being scared to trade. The anxiety of, you losing and you coming back to the markets, the anxiety you have after taking an L, it's kind of like, it's kind of really a thing. And especially in these markets, it's like, man, like, is my strategy even like working for the markets, or But again, overall, an amazing day, an amazing day. I hope you all have a blessed day as well. Less force, more flow.